Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. David Seaman will be one of Arsenal's legendary goalkeepers. Don't come as I call the talk say in the fear say that Bukayo Saka penalty say it will go a long way in affecting the title race. Like if at the end of the day maybe we no come win the title, people will look back on this Saka moment and say if to say Saka scored this penalty, maybe we for the depending on how many points difference we Man City take up us. See at the end of the day, if they look back say you say Saka score this thing, now maybe we for win the league. And nobody this moment, if they look back on that moment where Ivan Toney scored Brentford, we were supposed to cancel. If they look say if to say the Mason draw the line, maybe that 2 points we will miss there. If they added up to our points on the board, but all this now what if you get so. All the time when they talk, for me, I go say we'll just die all those matter. We still get some matches really ahead of us. As we do like this now, I will see the first. So the things we will play moving forward, now it's supposed to judge how we will take end at the end of the season. If we can go to the Etihad, that place, that be the major place. If we get the positive results, the thing will spur us on. It will give us that momentum. It will give us that ginger, that morale to play the remaining games. You get that is the way with me I see it. So I don't know how I see. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Sure, I feel say that Saka penalty, it will feel affect our like it will be instrumental. Like at the end of the day, if you got the regret, say why Saka no score that penalty, that will affect things so we do moving forward. I believe that one don't do in the past. Unless I forget, you know that yesterday, Eliala will be one of the senior men in world football. Right now, he missed penalty. Manchester draw 1-1 against Bayern against. So people like right, many people want to talk to you. That goes to show that even the best players in world football can miss penalty. Here anybody will talk to why they give a Real the penalty making go play. Imagine say maybe they need that match now to win to get so. And so it does be anybody, even you yourself when they watch, if you play football, you can miss penalty. Anybody, penalty is anybody's game. There's nobody play say na Papa and bet right. Jorginho once upon a time for Chelsea, you know they miss penalty, all of a sudden they started to miss penalty for Chelsea. That's what it does be. So away from that, also Campbell come visit Arsenal's training center as they prepare to play against Southampton. So I just there with the boys. I see a snap picture with Arteta, with the many boys again, with Saka. Just give them words of advice. Let them say with the legends, they did their side, all those kind of things. Say the invisibles, they did their side. They made them set track. Just words of encouragement because they're very, very easy. So that's what it does. I just wish them all the best of luck. For me, so far they've tried their best and they're doing fine again. Because me, I know say easy with the little resources we get. We are in phase 3 for a reason. I believe by the time we go enter phase 4, by the time we enter phase 5, you get people will go they happy with our team. You get when they look at our bench, we they happy. By the time we enter phase 5, remember say people like Arteta, people like the Kroenkes, they don't talk say we are still a work in progress. We still need like 2-3 transfer window to get the perfect team where we need to sign more players. So they're easy. If you look us, unless you want to disagree, say we are not a work in progress. We are a work in progress as it is. We are in phase 3 for a reason. People like Man City, they are not a work in progress. They are the perfect team as they did. You get if Man City don't buy players, and maybe one extra players, just 1-1. We don't want change, just 1-1. We still get many positions we want change. You get that's why we are a work in progress. That's why Arteta said we are in phase 3. So why are we in phase 3? So make you use your hand answer that one. Alright, so happy birthday to our community member Easy Money. Yes, so Baba Lions for the place for you today. So today I birthday, wish you all the best things life has to offer. Baba said me 2K, so I go buy cake. So carry down flex on the birthday. So send you with this money to bless me on your birthday. May God replenish your pocket in Jesus' name and inshallah enjoy your day plus. Get out. Alright, Charles, what's up? Don't come and call the talk. Say it is certain. Say people like William Saliba say they will miss the match against Southampton. Say that one Shola again because Saliba not really true. We just say I'm a gym when the cycle, but the guy not really in contention to play against Southampton. Let alone come and play against Man City. But that Man City, it could happen. Anything can happen. I don't really know about that one. But you see the match against Southampton, we are nowhere close to using Saliba there, which is on paper, they'll be shit pack and they're fighting for relegation battle, but the match will be very, very difficult because they're fighting for their lives. So we need to play against them. And the sweet part is say this will be coming at the Emirates, where we'll come to familiar ground, our fortress, and we're expected to pick up all 3 points. So that we're 7 points ahead of Man City by the time we go play, Man City say they under pressure to beat us. You get? So two of us are under pressure. We are under pressure not to lose. They are under pressure to beat us because they know if they don't beat us, you get, we'll be 7 points ahead of them and they'll come get one outstanding match. You see, say the tide will change, public opinion will change immediately. You get? If we don't lose, imagine so we'll beat them there now. We'll beat them. You get? From our 7 points, we don't know, we'll come get 11 points. They'll come get one outstanding match. If we beat them, it will be a very, very big statement. But it is difficult, but not mission impossible. So we just watch as everything will turn out. Gary Neville himself don't come outside, come dey advise Arsenal hierarchy, come dey talk say, see these Arsenal fans, Arsenal players, say many players go for City, make them feel excited, be happy to be there, you get, go there and play to your strengths. Don't let the pressure of City, the pressure of the Etihad, of their fans, chances get to you, get. Some will go there, give a good showing, no no fear them say because they be Manchester City. We'll go there, play well, and we'll play well. We fit to win. Get. I want to go back the talk. Say Man City are unbeaten in the last 14 games. Get in all competitions. Then the last 12 games for the EPL, now straight win, back. I think the last 12 games in all competition. Back. They didn't knock anybody. Get. They did for winning streak. Get. They don't hit that top form. When people talk say if Man City enter that kind of form, that don't knock anybody. But no know the form. No fear. Get. Go there. Don't go under play under pressure. Play and win. Man City self, like I talked earlier, they under pressure. So we'll just see as it will be. Robert Pires will be one of Arsenal legends. Gonna come as I can talk about Grand Xhaka. So Baba can say Xhaka don't mature, you get. But the problem is say the guy is still hot blooded, you get. But once you make a like Xhaka this season, we say Xhaka collect few one yellow cards, you get. This season. So I really understand how to. Do you know that this season I don't think any Arsenal player don't collect red card this season, which is a massive leap from what we were doing last season. This season, no, I don't think anybody, I stand to be corrected, but I don't think anybody has collected a red card in Arsenal this season again. So I never see that, so that's happening. So what people about the talk, we say Xhaka don't change, but at the same time, the guy don't learn how to go into the box late to get. But sometimes we all let a hot-blooded head affect, and like that's what happened against Liverpool. Make many people talk say now waiting spoil Liverpool on to begin that comeback. Before that Xhaka fight with Trent Alexander-Arnold, the place was asleep, the fans were quiet. Get after that fight, everybody just just started to shout. Before you know, the comeback can start to get everywhere was chaotic. Get. So it is what it is. So Xhaka need to dial down some of all those things where in the do. The guy has been having a great season. This season he has not been that aggressive. So let's just see how things happen at the end. But for those who know they are aware, so the Marcel coaching staff, they're angry at Tavares and they're complaining now. They say the guy didn't follow instruction. This guy don't get negative time like negative headlines about his name. The last time the Porsche come over training saying they do normal, and like some people even talk say maybe spirit they affect time. Like different people just talk different things. I just they laugh, say they fun get. So at the end of the day, this guy is coming back to the Emirates at the end of the season. After that, we know what he will do. So at the end of the season, many players will come back. All those guys, Pablo Mari, all those guys, and Suarez. You get many players who can go out on loan. So we need to separate all of them because not all these players are going to follow us from phase 3 to phase 4. You get now, so it will be. Remember when Ateta first enter Arsenal, know all the players who did there. By the time we enter phase 1, they pursue some people come out. We enter phase 2, some people say find their square root. Now we're in phase 3, some players don't go on loan. Phase 4, some people will be chased out again. By the time we go enter phase 5, the difference between phase 3 and phase 5 will be the players that we have. We'll get main players, get top quality players who will take us to the finish line, take us where we want to be. That's the difference between where we are now, which is a work in progress, to where we want to be. In as much as we are happy with where we are now, but we are not where we want to be originally. Get so people need to understand all these distinctions. Get that's why when I talk to we'll be average, people going to part about people don't really see what's in me. I see now because we are in phase 3 already. We are in work in progress. By the time we enter phase 5. Well, the 6 new men now, and they don't want to change players. Every player will happy that they come in. Now what you mean to see, but unfortunately or sadly, people don't see it the way I'm seeing it. Alright, so as I mean that I don't come outside, they can clarify most of the statements when they make. So but back on the talk, say Arteta and these players, what you see so, they are a young team. They never did this kind of position with them did now. Say maybe they fight for title. Imagine finishing the league last season 5th. And the next season you're fighting for the title. Who saw that coming? Nobody. Even Arteta, even Arsene Wenger said he never saw it coming. So Baba Kodo say these people, it is new to them. Say hopefully they win it. And they got to clarify, say that's the way he talked before. It was not objective, you get, in bias, and let him bias. They speak for him. It was very, very subjective, you get, because everybody in Arsenal affiliation will affect or cloud in judgment, you get, you know, go look things objectively. So that's why he talk say Arsenal will win the league as it like this. So usually just say in the hope, say the tension with they now don't go affect Arsenal, because this challenge of the title is something new to them. That is why it is affecting them. Even though Shaka they talk say they don't have a problem with their winning mentality, whether he likes it or yes, the pressure of the title race is getting at them, because it's not easy. They've not found themselves in that position before, and I will tell when that they explain again. So at the end of the day, even if they don't win it, we need to understand that it is not something easy for them. Do you know what it takes for you to just finish for fifth? All of a sudden you are challenging for the title, even when your coach is telling you we are in phase 3 and we are ahead of schedule. We're not supposed to be there. You know, understand? For your coach to come outside and tell you that one, so we are ahead of schedule. With phase 3, we never enter phase 4. How phase 4 will come be? If phase 3 be like this, you get? How phase 5 will come be? Phase 5 might be the ultimate, might be the last bus stop now. So it will come be. So we don't know what has everything with me. So far, I'm proud of the boys. I'm happy with whatever they've achieved this season. If we beat Southampton now, surely we don't cement our place for next season's Champions League, regardless of whatever happens this season. As we do like this time, we lose all the rest of our matches, or if we come up with Champions League, but as long as we just beat that Southampton, surely they don't mark us back. We don't achieve our aims and objectives of the season. Any other thing again, a fee, a jara, a bonus, and whatever you like to call it. Alright, from what we hear, say Arsenal are in contact with Wilfred Zaha agents over a move. Remember, he's a free agent, and our monitoring spirit, so they record Daily Mail and Foot Mercato. And then come outside and let us know this news. Say Arsenal wants to sign Wilfred Zaha. Now people get they complain, say the guy is 30 years old, say waiting they bring to the table is too old. But for me, I would say this guy they old, but he perform week out for the EPL. They see waiting they bring to the table. He's 30 for me. It's going to give us a decent 2-3 years. You get give a 3 years contract. When he's 32, you will evaluate that whether it makes sense again. That's if we end up signing him, because nobody else will go for him. Even the Olympic myself said they're very, very interested. And as time is drawn nearer, maybe season on the end, many more clubs will come into the fray, say they need him because he's a free agent. You know, will cost anything. Like just salary and I will negotiate. And for the fact that the guy an Arsenal fan can't make us as a favorite to sign him. Imagine having Zaha in your bench. You know what they happy? Zaha will one man riot. Imagine Martinelli don't try. Call the common Martinelli. They put Zaha. What are you telling me? You get Zaha really understands the EPL. You get you say Zaha they have a team like this. Oh my God, they get confidence. They go Man City. Who be Man City? If Man City they play Crystal Palace, they sweat Zaha they do them. If we say the play Zaha they match go no. And one man, you see Zaha, you see Saint Alan, Maximan. Two of them one man riot. Get if they day your team, you say we go no. As Saka, if Saka they play on a good day, with Saka they inform, you go no. Say, who is that guy? That guy is very good. Now so Maximan be, now so Zaha be. So if we sign up at the end of the day, na big statements, na confirm phase 4 with the enter. If we sign that kind of player. So depending on who else we bring as a winger, because Shola we need winger, we need centre back. Shola we need centre back. Even if Van Ndika will be free agent also. I never know what's in the shop there. Whether Arsenal will still go for him. That myself a very, very good player, a decent player, a young player. So I never know how it will be, because people like Rob Holding, naturally, normally, under normal circumstances, I don't see them entering phase 4 with us. But these days the circumstances look abnormal. So I don't know how everything will end at the end of the season. Because what I know is that this crop of players who get like this, nobody all of them will follow us enter phase 4. You get next season we'll be playing Champions League. I don't expect us to be using the same squad to be competing for the Champions League. Unless we enter Champions League, come and score go Europa. You get, but if we want to advance to the next stage and the next stage and the next stage and see what happens, we need to bring in and infuse top quality players that will take us to the phase 4. You get, we'll come see what phase 4 get to offer us. You get, so that's it will be. Alright guys, check yourself, don't come outside and talk, say we no get a mentality problem. You get, say, waiting the sub, say, them go react, they go respond against Southampton. See the match against Southampton, everybody will see their reaction. But one of our senior man for this community called the talk, say, the reaction which Shaka and Arsenal players are supposed to give, say, no be against Southampton, say, now against people like Newcastle and against people like Man City. Frank, I made that statement. See, now that place that is supposed to give better reaction. What be Southampton? Southampton on a good day, that people be supposed to knock on a good day. But you see the match against Man City, you see the match against Newcastle, those are matches where you need to come and show your winning mentality, come and show your winning character. If you know if you win, at least no lose. You get, those are the kind of matches we want to see. It's not be against Southampton. Southampton will expect you to win. You get, but against Man City, nobody gives you a chance. So you need to go there and prove yourself to the whole world that you have that mentality. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and subscribe, you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.